Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, it's time to reach back on the old beard shelf and bring out some reviews on some stuff that I've had for a very, very long time. So today, we're going to bring Grave Before Shave back to the channel. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think of that one. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for finding this video. I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very flattered you chose, one of my videos. I know your time is your most precious commodity, so I hope to earn some more of that today. Now, for you first timers and you long time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, click on it, do whatever you got to do, pull up, subscribe. Knock it out the way early and you will feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright guys, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at Grave Before Shave's Gentleman's Blend Beard Oil. Now when I first started buying beard oils, the ones that I ran into all the freaking time were Grave Before Shave, Grave Before Shave, Grave Before Shave. Everywhere I saw, I'd get on Amazon, look at beard oil, get on Facebook, ads for it would pop up, so I'm like, okay. And I bought a lot of it. Some of them I've really liked. Some of them I went, it doesn't really do squat. And unfortunately, this is one of these videos for this one that I'm going to be like, because I'll be honest, it's supposed to have a bourbon and sandalwood like afternotes. I don't smell it at all. I don't. It smells to me just like Honest Amish. It does. It's just like a plain smell. There's just nothing there. Now, it could be, I don't know, a bad batch. It could be any number of things when I got this bottle. But this is my experience with it. Now, they are made in the USA, based out of California, about the San Bernardino area. You can find them at www.gravebeforeshave.com. Now, I can't really, recently that is, find a lot of info on the homework, like when they were established, who established them, are they a vet-owned business? I can tell you, though, that they are killing it with, like, the swag, like with stickers, hats, koozies, just everything. They are just destroying it. They've got all their artists, because all of their bottles, and, I'm going to do a review on this one, too. All of their bottles are different. So they have in-house artists that are designing everything. And I think that's cool because it keeps like your overhead down where you don't have to outsource that. It does come in like a 1 ounce amber bottle with the eyedropper top, which I love, for $12. So, it's right in that middle of the price range because your average price for 1 ounce of beard oil goes anywhere from $10 to $20. So they're like right in that middle, which I think is cool. It's there, it's affordable, and I can tell you, honestly, the other ones that I've used by them, I've loved. This one, the oil's good. There's just no scent. When it goes on, it has like a medium scent strength. It's there, and you're like, okay. And then it just seems to go away quickly. Now, I don't know if it's my nose becoming nose blind to it, or the fact that it's just the way that scent profile is designed for it to go, hi, I'm here, but no, now we're gone. They do offer free shipping within the continent, well, I should say within the United States. I don't want to say continental because that would rule out Alaska and Hawaii, so forgive me. But I know you guys are wondering, like, the ingredients. It's got tea tree oil, pure apricot oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, aloe vera, and essential oils. From my understanding, those are common for every single one of Grave Before Shave's beard oil. And those are really, really good oils. Okay? Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, it's real simple. Think of it as a vitamin supplement for your skin. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to keep your skin growing beautifully, growing naturally, doesn't dry out, doesn't get split ends, and all those problems. This helps. What you do, and I tell this to everyone, you just shake the crap out of your bottle. And especially the ones with the eyedropper top. You just squeeze the top, pull it in, and oh yeah. That's what the oil looks like, guys. Sorry. I don't know if it's bleeding through there, but it does have a neat little golden tinge. All right. You just eyedropper into your hands, rub it together, warm it up, and you just work it down into your skin, because it's going to, number one, like I said, give you that vitamin supplement. Number two, soften up your beard. And number three, make your beard smell incredible depending on the scent that you chose. But seeing how I just... It's the only way I can put it. I'm really disappointed in this one. I've had a bad experience with it because it didn't smell like bourbon or sandalwood. It just smelled exactly like, Honest Amish. Honestly, it did. And if you want to check that one out, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard, skin care, hair care, whatever, just all that right up there. And you'll find my review on an Honest Amish beard oil. So you can kind of compare the two. Okay? But this is the fun part for me. Alright, I know there's lots of you out there who have used it, and I'm trying to keep this review short because I don't want it to seem like I'm bashing Grave Before Shave, because I'm not, because I do like their company, I do like their products, and I do like my experiences with them. I didn't like my experience with this one at all. But I want to know your questions, comments, love, anger, hatred, everything like we usually do, guys, down below in the comments section. I want to know your success with this particular oil. I want to know any failures with this oil. I want to know your experience with Grave Before Shave, things like that. Because I've brought 2 to the channel so far. This is a 3rd. I'm about to film a 4th, and I think I have a 5th and 6th one upstairs that I'm going to be reviewing. But, 2 likes, 1 dislike, that's not that bad. That's pretty freaking good as far as I'm concerned. But let's go to the wrap-up, because like I said, I don't want to bash it. Love the company. Love everything. Didn't have a good experience. Could have been a bad batch. Could have been anything. All right? Seriously. Could have been anything. But for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. I know it's a strange one. I know it's not our usual wackiness because nothing good to say about this blend. Nothing. And I know there's going to be lots of people out there going to tell me I'm an idiot, I'm a moron, and every other colorful word because they just love it, think it's the greatest thing under the sun, think it's wonderful. And that's cool. That is perfectly okay. We're okay to disagree on this. We're not okay for you to call me every word under the sun because I don't agree with how you feel. But, like I said, thank you so much for watching this one. It means the world to me that you chose it. Now, for you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, why not? Here's a perfect chance. Look right down there. No, it's over there. Sorry, it's over there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and subscribed, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon. Why? Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, you know what by now, 2 are going to pop up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My really quick look at Grave Before Shave's Gentleman's Blend Beard Oil. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.